Welcome to EagleMindUSA, the place where sharp minds rise and quick thinkers win. Get ready to challenge your brain, test your speed, and prove your intelligence. Asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 1 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter linked. In the second puzzle, we have the word in. Now combine them. What do we get? Linked. And yes, the answer is linked. Asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 2 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter net. In the second puzzle, we have the word flicks. Now combine them. What do we get? Netflix. Yes, the answer is Netflix. Asterisk asterisk. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 3 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter ammo. In the second puzzle, we have the word app. Zon. Now combine them. What do we get? Amazon. Yes, the answer is Amazon. So tell us in the comments, did you guess it before the timer ended? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next puzzle.